Hello and welcome to Sheffield Hallam University Department of Art and Design. My name is Liz Noble and I'm the recruitment lead and one of the tutors. Today we're in the head post office, which is our home to our undergraduate and postgraduate courses, and we want to introduce you to some of our fantastic facilities and talented technical team.
So my name's Drew and I'm the Fine Metalwork Technician. The bench room upstairs is where the students have taught sessions. They can also book bench spaces in there as well for self-directed learning. Once they're in there, they'll have access to these rooms so they can come down and use the workshop for any different processes like soldering, or if they need to use the lathes or any of the machinery down here, they'll get access to the hammer room as well, which is just across the corridor. If the students are up in the bench room, they'll have only hand tools up there, so there's not really any kind of mechanical processes up there, and they'll have a jewellery bench that they can sit at and they can saw their pieces of material or do whatever they need to do. Then they tend to bring it down here if they need to do anything like soldering. We've got the hearths over there. We've got presses and rolling mills down here. We've also got other soldering equipment behind me. We've got a big polishing machine, this lovely lathe here. We've got grinding equipment, drilling equipment and guillotines for cutting metal. So we've got quite a lot of equipment down here that we can use. We also have some equipment like investment casting, vacuum casting and laser welding equipment, which is normally used within industry rather than in somebody's personal workshop. But it's good for the students to get the opportunity to learn how to use those so that they understand the processes.